Number one, make sure you have a non-custodial ERC20 address. I'm going to cover what that is and the recommended wallets from Flare themselves. Number two, claim your tokens by filling out the type form, and you will receive by email by midnight of January the 1st, 2022. So again, if you are eligible, you would have already received an email from Nexo. So the bad news is, if you haven't seen an email from Nexo before this recording, I fear you're not eligible, but this whole process is exactly why I'm here, to pass this knowledge on, to make sure if there are questions and queries, you can take it up in a timely manner. Then we've got the actual distribution rate, which is of interest. If you didn't know already, you'll be getting 0.15, rounding it up, Songbird per 1 XRP, and 1 XI per 235 Songbird in January 2022.